Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. Well, it's a different scenery this time in Canada now. We've got the white stuff starting our season. And since you guys like the old Big Block 460 cold start before, we're gonna do a really cold -15 Celsius cold start this time. Took the liberty of charging the battery so there's no problems, because I know the batteries aren't gonna be good, especially since this thing, show you guys, hasn't moved in about a month and a half. So, and in case you didn't believe me, I think you guys can see it. The engine's definitely frosted up, so I didn't start or nothing. So come along for the first start in almost 2 months. We'll see what the old propane Big Block does. Oh, she's cranking. She's cranking. Yeah. Oh, she's not very happy though. Trying to idle it. Got the old exhaust manifold leak. She's running, guys. -15. I don't use this truck all the time, but maybe we'll do a -20 or 25 start. Probably have to plug her in because the propane won't flow, or otherwise she'd start. I've been there, tried that. Anyways, there you guys go. The old Big Block in Canada cold start. Yeah. Talk to you guys later. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you to the subscribers that I have. Until then, talk to you guys later. Bye.